First firework ever. Well, 4.
You got it?
Yes. 3, 2. First firework. That one was a dud. Let's do this. Like that? Cool.
That's better.
They were supposed to spin around. That one was a dud, so it did not, but that one did. It's a lot because he dumps a lot. Woo-hoo. Happy 4th, y'all. Well, today's not 4th of July. We had to do it one day after, because,
He was out partying.
yeah. Be close for this. He's pooping. Yeah, duh. Bro's enjoying this.
Gotcha. Go.
What's up, everybody? This is me lighting a firework. My dad is filming, so I'm safe.
There you go. Good.
Then he just smokes, right?
Yeah.
Sure he just smokes?
Yeah. Smoke balls just smoke.
Okay.
Okay. When?
Alright. It's me lighting a smoke stick and then I gotta go. We're pretty sure this is just supposed to smoke. Oh, that's sick. That's cool.
It's a lot more than a smoke bomb.
Yeah, that is. I was like, run. Yeah, that one's cool. I like that.
Is that it?
Oh,
that was a lot.
Yeah, that was a lot though. I think it stains. Alright, this is a fountain, silver snow fountain.
Remember, point your thing directly at the tip of the wick. Okay, good job.
If you're a full 360.
Ta-ding!
This one is called Junebug. It is also a fountain that I run through my life.
This little tiny one.
I run.
Correct. Bink!
This one is called, what's it called?
Snow chill.
Snow Chill. Snow Chill. This is the Snow Chill fountain. Snow Chill fountain firework thing. It's charging up. Of our pile so far, so it's so zoomed in. This little poker guy, he's poker, right? Is gonna probably make a grand finale. Let me show you the one for grand finale, and then We'll light it. This polar one. All right, let's do this. All right, run for your life after. I'm stepping back. Break yourself so you're spinning. Alright, what's up everybody? This one is called Glittering Fountain. That's how you pronounce it. He got some good sparks in.
Yeah, he wasn't that noisy.
Alright, what's up everybody? It's Crafty Danger. We're gonna light this one called Ready or Not.
Yeah. You actually gotta light it. There you go.
Oh, that one got some color.
Oh.
Alright, this is the Rose Blossom.
Squat. There you go. Good job.
We know we have to run from these things. Coming over there like that. There we go. It might go crazy. Got it?
That's it.
Alright, yo, what's up everybody? This one is a tank. Fuse this from the back. Let's do this. Want to give it some room because I'm pretty sure this one moves. Alright, you ready?
He's on the car.
Kaboom!
There it goes.
You can see that one on fire. This is the this is the cherry bomb that we made.
These are just
Cherry bomb.
smoke bombs.
Well, the bombs. Well, they're the smoke balls that we lit earlier, and we tied them all together. I'm gonna light them here. You go. You may take over. You ready?
Yeah.
Y'all ready?
I say about standing over him. Stand beside him. There you go. Good job.
Oh, I think it's supposed to come. Alright, you ready? Film me, film me.
Okay.
Look
You
how
want again? You want again? That's a pretty orange. Run.
That's why I said run. That's why I said run.
Was that it?
Oh.
Oh.
Over Ben's name. Did you hear that echo? Did you hear that? Was that it?
I hope so. Okay.
This is same one. I know to run this time.
Oh, it. That one didn't snap like the other one did. Huh.
What's up, everybody? It's Crafty. This one is the ice pick grand finale. Bow, 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 bow. I'm gonna be the one to light it. Run. It's charging up. Run. That sounds like it's getting better.
Ta-da! Sorry, neighbors. We're done.
That's the smoke from all the fireworks. Womp womp.